Okay, sometimes your CyberPower machine might get this where you turn it on and there's no screen. But there's a simple way to fix it sometimes. Maybe it isn't the video card like some people think. Okay, so when you buy your CyberPower PC, you get this RGB keyboard and you get an RGB mouse. And I think the whole problem is this RBG mouse. Basically, on a CyberPower PC with a Gigabyte motherboard, the USB ports aren't the best. And I've had trouble with them in the past, but with this mouse. And I think this mouse is giving you problems when you try to boot up. So what I think you should try, and it worked for me, is you turn off the computer, you pull the power cord in the back, you remove all USB cords off the computer, and then you turn on the computer and you see if it boots. If it boots, you're good. Then you put the USB devices back in. You may want to put them in one at a time. If you have an extra mouse, use a different mouse or a different keyboard. Run like that for a while and see if you have any more problems starting up. If you do have problems, then there's probably something wrong with the motherboard. But I think it's that mouse. Could possibly even be the keyboard, but I think it's the mouse. And hopefully this helps people.